Donald Trump is now saying that he eagerly wants to deport American citizens to El Salvador. And when he says that, he does not mention that those citizens must be formally convicted of a crime before he deports them. But let's just assume that he does want to send American citizens to a prison in El Salvador only after they've been convicted of a crime. That simply means if he snatched an American citizen off the street and sent that American to El Salvador, to a prison in El Salvador, without that citizen having been convicted of a crime, that would be what the Trump lawyers call an administrative error. And Donald Trump and his lawyers are saying in court that the administrative error can never be fixed, because once they've sent someone to that El Salvador prison, there is nothing they can do to get that person out of that El Salvador prison, even though the gangster-style president of El Salvador was in the Oval Office, sucking up to his new friend Donald Trump in every way he possibly could, posting pictures, calling Donald Trump my friend. And so obviously, the president of El Salvador will do anything for his friend, the president of the United States, including helping to return Mr. Obrego Garcia or anyone else. So as it stands tonight, we live in a country where the president of the United States and his lawyers are insisting in court that the president can snatch anyone in America out of their car while their child is in the back seat, as was the case for Mr. Arbrego Garcia, put that person on a plane to El Salvador, locking that person up in a prison in El Salvador, and if it turns out that that person's an American citizen who has never committed a crime anywhere in the world, then that's just an administrative error, and it cannot be fixed. Supreme Court Justice Sonia Sotomayor said in the unanimous Supreme Court opinion ordering the Trump administration to facilitate the release of Mr. Arbrego Garcia, quote, "The implication of the government's position is that not only non-citizens, but also United States citizens can be taken off the streets, forced onto planes, and confined to foreign prisons with no opportunity for redress," meaning forever. As of tonight, those are the conditions we are all living in the United States. As Justice Sotomayor said, quote, "Not only non-citizens, but also United States citizens